Good morning, Umed.
Good morning, Papa.
What are you going to do today?
Crawling.
Can you show me?
Yeah.
How do you learn crawling?
By lying on the floor.
On the floor?
Yeah.
How you come to know about the crawling?
Like this.
Okay.
Putting like this.
Start. Please start.
Lying on sticky balloons manong the camera.
Okay, tara nang start. Papar ulo sa. Show me.
Ano ba ito? Dito, di ba?
Tawa. Ryan kita.
Ryan din on the game no even. Ryan din 9 years old na.
And how old are you?
I'm not old.
Okay, what is your age?
68.
68.
And my age 4 years.
Your age is 4 years. Come on, start crawling.
But no, it's a year is 4 years.
4
But year is not 8.
Okay, 4 years. Okay, start. Jing 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 jing.
I'm crawling.
Jing 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 jing. Are you done?
Yeah.
Now you're a champion. Say hooray.
But Ryan's not the same peer. Ryan is a super spy Ryan.
Okay. And what is this? Can you tell me about this?
This is my house and then my boat drew something.
Can you go inside the tank?
Yeah, it's my house. It's a good house. Follow me. Let's go this house.
Okay, show me your face from the hall.
Mhm.
Come on, peep out your head and say hello to everyone.
Hello.
Say have a good day.
Say have a good day.
Okay, thank you, mate.